Welcome to Quiz with Us. Get ready for Weekly Current Affairs 2026, Week 3, covering 29th June to 4th July, 2026. This video has 100 high-yield MCQ questions covering national India, international affairs, economy and business, sports, and defense. Topics include FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32, India appointments, GST anniversary, India rowing gold, and major global events. Listen carefully to each question and all four options, then choose your answer. The correct answer and explanation follow each question. Let us begin. All the best. Question 1. Which team defeated Japan 2-1 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 on 29th June? Option A. Argentina. Option B. Spain. Option C. France. Option D. Brazil. The correct answer is D. Brazil. Brazil defeated Japan 2-1 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 on 29th June, advancing to the round of 16. The match was played in the USA co-hosted tournament. Question 2. Germany drew 1-1 with which team in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 before losing on penalties on 29th June? Option A. Chile. Option B. Mexico. Option C. Uruguay. Option D. Paraguay. The correct answer is D. Paraguay. Germany drew 1-1 with Paraguay in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32, then lost 3-4 on penalties. Paraguay advanced to the round of 16. Question 3. Morocco defeated Netherlands in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 on 29th June. What was the penalty shootout score? Option A. 2-1. Option B. 5-4. Option C. 4-3. Option D. 3-2. The correct answer is D. 3-2. After drawing 1-1 in regular time, Morocco defeated Netherlands 3-2 on penalties in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 on 29th June, advancing to the round of 16. Question 4. Which team defeated Ivory Coast 2-1 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 on 30th June? Option A. Belgium. Option B. France. Option C. Mexico. Option D. Norway. The correct answer is D. Norway. Norway defeated Ivory Coast 2-1 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 on 30th June, advancing to the round of 16. Question 5. By what score did France defeat Sweden in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 on 30th June? Option A. 2-0. Option B. 4-1. Option C. 3-1. Option D. 3-0. The correct answer is D. 3-0. France defeated Sweden 3-0 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 on 30th June, with a dominant performance booking their place in the round of 16. Question 6. Which South American nation defeated Ecuador 2-0 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 on 30th June? Option A. Argentina. Option B. Colombia. Option C. Peru. Option D. Mexico. The correct answer is D. Mexico. Mexico defeated Ecuador 2-0 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 32 on 30th June, advancing to the round of 16 of the home tournament. Question 7. England advanced to the FIFA World Cup 2026 Round of 16 by defeating which African nation on 1st July? Option A. DR Congo. Option B. Ghana. Option C. Morocco. Option D. Senegal. The correct answer is A. DR Congo. England defeated DR Congo 2-1 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 1st July, securing their place in the round of 16. Question 8. Belgium defeated Senegal 3-2 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32. How was the match decided? Option A. Regular time. Option B. Golden goal. Option C. Penalty shootout. Option D. After extra time. The correct answer is D. After extra time. Belgium defeated Senegal 3-2 after extra time, AET, in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 1st July. The match went to extra time before Belgium scored the winner. Question 9. What score did the USA record against Bosnia in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 1st July? Option A. 1-0. Option B. 3-1. Option C. 2-1. Option D. 2-0. The correct answer is D. 2-0. The USA defeated Bosnia 2-0 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 1st July, advancing to the round of 16 in front of their home crowd. Question 10. Spain defeated Austria in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 2nd July. What was the final score? Option A. 3-0. Option B. 2-1. Option C. 2-0. Option D. 3-1. The correct answer is A. 3-0. Spain defeated Austria 3-0 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 2nd July with a dominant performance, advancing to the round of 16. Question 11. Portugal advanced to the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 16 on 2nd July by defeating which team 2-1? Option A. Algeria. Option B. Austria. Option C. Bosnia. Option D. Croatia. The correct answer is D. Croatia. Portugal defeated Croatia 2-1 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 2nd July, advancing to the round of 16. Question 12. Switzerland defeated which North African nation 2-0 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 2nd July? Option A. Algeria. Option B. Egypt. Option C. Morocco. Option D. Tunisia. The correct answer is A. Algeria. Switzerland defeated Algeria 2-0 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 2nd July, advancing to the round of 16. Question 13. Egypt advanced to the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 16 on 3rd July by defeating Australia on penalties. What was the shootout score? Option A. 4-2. Option B. 3-1. Option C. 4-3. Option D. 5-3. The correct answer is A. 4-2. After drawing 1-1 in regular time, Egypt defeated Australia 4-2 on penalties in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 3rd July. Question 14. Argentina defeated Cape Verde in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 3rd July. What was the scoreline? Option A. 3-2. Option B. 3-1. Option C. 2-1. Option D. 4-1. The correct answer is A. 3-2. Argentina defeated Cape Verde 3-2 in a thrilling FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 match on 3rd July, advancing to the round of 16. Question 15. Colombia defeated Ghana in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 3rd July. What was the score? Option A. 1-0. Option B. 2-0. Option C. 2-1. Option D. 3-0. The correct answer is A. 1-0, Colombia defeated Ghana 1-0 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 3rd July, advancing to the round of 16. Question 16. How did Paraguay eliminate Germany in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 penalty shootout? Option A, 4-3. Option B, 4-2. Option C, 3-2. Option D, 5-4. The correct answer is A. 4-3. Paraguay defeated Germany 4-3 on penalties after a 1-1 draw in regular time in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 29 June, causing a major upset. Question 17. How many South American teams advanced to the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 16 from 29 June to 3rd July fixtures? Option A, 3, Option B, 2, Option C, 4, Option D, 5. The correct answer is A. 3 South American teams advanced from 29 June to 3rd July round of 32 fixtures. Brazil defeated Japan, Argentina defeated Cape Verde, and Colombia defeated Ghana. Paraguay also advanced but is technically Central South American. Question 18. India won its first ever World Rowing Cup gold medal on 27 June 2026. In which event did India win gold? Option A, LM2X, lightweight double sculls. Option B, heavyweight double sculls. Option C, mains 4. Option D, mains 8. The correct answer is A. LM2X, lightweight double sculls. India won its first World Rowing Cup gold medal in the LM2X, lightweight double sculls, event at Lucerne, Switzerland on 27 June 2026, with Lakshya and Ujjwal Kumar finishing in 6:26.09. Question 19. Who represented India to win the historic World Rowing Cup gold medal in June 2026? Option A, Lakshya and Ujjwal Kumar. Option B, Arjun and Rahul Kumar. Option C, Rohan and Vikram Mehta. Option D, Sunil and Arun Sharma. The correct answer is A. Lakshya and Ujjwal Kumar. Lakshya and Ujjwal Kumar won India's first ever World Rowing Cup gold medal at Lucerne, Switzerland on 27 June 2026 in the LM2X event. Both were trained at the Army Rowing Node. Question 20. Where was the World Rowing Cup held in June 2026 where India won its first gold medal? Option A, Lucerne, Switzerland. Option B, London, UK. Option C, Berlin, Germany. Option D, Paris, France. The correct answer is A. Lucerne, Switzerland. The World Rowing Cup was held at Lucerne, Switzerland where India claimed its first ever gold medal in the LM2X, lightweight double sculls, event on 27 June 2026. Question 21. PM Modi's state visit to Seychelles in late June 2026 was framed under which bilateral framework? Option A, Blue Economy Vision. Option B, Indian Ocean Vision. Option C, Island Fellowship. Option D, Ocean of Opportunity. The correct answer is D. Ocean of Opportunity. PM Modi's state visit to Seychelles, June 27 to 29, 2026, was conducted under the Ocean of Opportunity framework, strengthening India-Seychelles bilateral relations in the Indian Ocean region. Question 22. During his June 2026 visit, PM Modi became the first Indian Prime Minister to address the National Assembly of which country? Option A, Seychelles. Option B, Mauritius. Option C, Maldives. Option D, Sri Lanka. The correct answer is A. Seychelles. PM Modi became the first Indian Prime Minister to address the Seychelles National Assembly during his state visit in late June 2026, marking a historic milestone in India-Seychelles relations. Question 23. PM Modi interacted with Jonathan, a 194-year-old giant tortoise holding a Guinness World Record, during his visit to which country? Option A, Comoros. Option B, Madagascar. Option C, Mauritius. Option D, Seychelles. The correct answer is D, Seychelles. During his state visit to Seychelles in late June 2026, PM Modi interacted with Jonathan, a 194-year-old Seychelles giant tortoise that holds the Guinness World Record for the oldest living land animal. Question 24. Ravi Agrawal was reappointed as chairman of which Indian tax authority from 1st July 2026? Option A, CBDT. Option B, CBIC. Option C, CCI. Option D, SEBI. The correct answer is A, CBDT. Ravi Agrawal, a 1988 batch IRS officer, was reappointed as chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT, from 1st July 2026, with the tenure extended till 31st December 2026. Question 25. Ravi Agrawal, reappointed as CBDT chairman from 1st July 2026, belongs to which batch of the Indian Revenue Service? Option A, 1985 batch. Option B, 1986 batch. Option C, 1987 batch. Option D, 1988 batch. The correct answer is D, 1988 batch. Ravi Agrawal is a 1988 batch IRS, Indian Revenue Service, officer who was reappointed as CBDT chairman from 1st July 2026. CBDT oversees the direct tax administration of India. Question 26. Who was appointed as Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India effective 1st July 2026? Option A, Ravi Shankar. Option B, Ravi Agrawal. Option C, Rajiv Kumar. Option D, Rajesh Singh. The correct answer is A, Ravi Shankar. Ravi Shankar was appointed as Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, effective 1st July 2026, adding to the bank's senior leadership team. Question 27. Biswanath Sinha, who became Kerala Chief Secretary in July 2026, belongs to which batch of the IAS? Option A, 1992 batch. Option B, 1991 batch. Option C, 1990 batch. Option D, 1993 batch. The correct answer is A, 1992 batch. Biswanath Sinha, a 1992 batch IAS officer of the Kerala cadre, became the Kerala Chief Secretary in July 2026. Question 28. General Dheeraj Seth is the _____ Chief of Army Staff of India? Option A, 31st. Option B, 30th. Option C, 29th. Option D, 32nd. The correct answer is A, 31st. General Dheeraj Seth is the 31st Chief of Army Staff of India. He assumed charge after succeeding General Upendra Dwivedi and announced his technology-driven Vijay vision for the army. Question 29. What is General Dheeraj Seth's technology-driven vision for the Indian Army called? Option A, Vijay. Option B, Shakti. Option C, Arjun. Option D, Yudh. The correct answer is A, Vijay. General Dheeraj Seth, 31st Chief of Army Staff, announced his Vijay vision for the Indian Army, focusing on technology-driven modernization, operational readiness, and strengthening jointness among forces. Question 30. General Dheeraj Seth succeeded which officer as the Chief of Army Staff of India? Option A, General Bipin Rawat. Option B, General M.M. Narwane. Option C, General Manoj Pandey. Option D, General Upendra Dwivedi. The correct answer is D. General Upendra Dwivedi. General Dheeraj Seth succeeded General Upendra Dwivedi as the 31st Chief of Army Staff of India. He has nearly 4 decades of service and is an NDA alumnus. Question 31. National Doctors' Day is observed on which date in India every year? Option A, 1st July. Option B, 28 June. Option C, 3rd July. Option D, 5th July. The correct answer is A. 1st July. National Doctors' Day is observed on 1st July every year in India to honor the medical profession. It commemorates Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, a physician and former Chief Minister of West Bengal. Question 32. What was the theme of National Doctors' Day 2026? Option A, A Doctor's Touch, Technology Meets Humanity. Option B, Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healers? Option C, Healing Hearts, Doctors Beyond Borders. Option D, United in Care, Healing the Nation. The correct answer is B. Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healers? The theme of National Doctors' Day 2026 was Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healers, which highlighted the mental health challenges and well-being needs of healthcare professionals. Question 33. National Doctors' Day in India commemorates which renowned physician and statesman? Option A, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Option B, Dr. BC Roy. Option C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option D, Dr.S. Radhakrishnan. The correct answer is B. Dr. BC Roy. National Doctors' Day in India, 1st July, commemorates Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, a renowned physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, who was awarded the Bharat Ratna. Question 34. India's FCRA 2.0 portal and EOCI services were inaugurated by which Union Minister on 30th June 2026? Option A, Amit Shah. Option B, Nirmala Sitharaman. Option C, Rajnath Singh. Option D, S. Jaishankar. The correct answer is A. Amit Shah. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the FCRA 2.0 portal and EOCI, Overseas Citizenship of India, card services in New Delhi on 30th June 2026, fully digitizing the processes. Question 35. The APAR Student ID Card is _digit unique identification number launched under NEP 2020? Option A, 8-digit. Option B, 12-digit. Option C, 10-digit. Option D, 16-digit. The correct answer is B. 12-digit. APAR, Academic Personal Attendance and Achievement Registry, is a 12-digit unique student ID launched under the National Education Policy, NEP, 2020, providing a lifelong academic identity for students. Question 36. The Academic Bank of Credits, ABC, system for higher education is regulated by which body in India? Option A, AICTE. Option B, MCI. Option C, NMC. Option D, UGC. The correct answer is D. UGC. The Academic Bank of Credits, ABC, is regulated by the University Grants Commission, UGC, and is integrated with DigiLocker and the SWAM platform to enable flexible credit transfer in higher education. Question 37. India's Tourism Ministry signed an MoU with which tech company to boost digital tourism promotion in July 2026? Option A, Amazon. Option B, Google. Option C, Apple. Option D, Microsoft. The correct answer is B. Google. The Tourism Ministry signed an MoU with Google India to boost digital tourism promotion in India. Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat witnessed the signing, aimed at enhancing the Incredible India campaign with AI and data analytics. Question 38. NTCA granted in principle approval for tiger reintroduction in Satkosia Tiger Reserve located in which state? Option A. Chhattisgarh. Option B. Jharkhand. Option C. Madhya Pradesh. Option D. Odisha. The correct answer is D. Odisha. The National Tiger Conservation Authority, NTCA, granted in principle approval to restart tiger reintroduction at Satkosia Tiger Reserve in Odisha on 30th June 2026, after a failed attempt in 2018. Question 39. What is the approximate area of Satkosia Tiger Reserve in Odisha? Option A. 845 sq km. Option B. 1136 sq km. Option C. 987 sq km. Option D. 1342 sq km. The correct answer is B. 1136 sq km. Satkosia Tiger Reserve in Odisha covers approximately 1136 sq km. The NTCA approved tiger reintroduction here in June 2026, with the previous attempt having failed in 2018. Question 40. What is the IUCN conservation status of the white-rumped vulture, Gyps bengalensis? Option A. Endangered. Option B. Critically endangered. Option C. Near threatened. Option D. Vulnerable. The correct answer is B. Critically endangered. The white-rumped vulture, Gyps bengalensis, is listed as critically endangered by the IUCN. The population collapsed primarily due to the veterinary drug diclofenac, and conservation efforts including captive breeding programs have been expanded. Question 41. Which drug caused the population collapse of white-rumped vultures in the Indian subcontinent? Option A. Aspirin. Option B. Diclofenac. Option C. Ibuprofen. Option D. Nimesulide. The correct answer is B. Diclofenac. Diclofenac, a veterinary anti-inflammatory drug used in livestock, caused kidney failure and death in white-rumped vultures that fed on treated carcasses, leading to their near extinction in the Indian subcontinent. Question 42. The VBG-RAMG Act 2025, effective from 1st July 2026, increased employment guarantee from 100 to how many days? Option A. 110 days. Option B. 115 days. Option C. 120 days. Option D. 125 days. The correct answer is D. 125 days. The VBG-RAMG Act 2025, effective from 1st July 2026, increased the rural employment guarantee from 100 to 125 days. The launch event was scheduled in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh on 2nd July 2026. Question 43. Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat holds which portfolio in the Indian government? Option A. Agriculture. Option B. Environment. Option C. Jal Shakti. Option D. Tourism. The correct answer is D. Tourism. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is India's Union Minister of Tourism. He witnessed the signing of the MoU between the Tourism Ministry and Google India in July 2026 to boost digital tourism promotion. Question 44. India signed a joint declaration on critical minerals cooperation with which country in late June 2026? Option A. Australia. Option B. France. Option C. Japan. Option D. USA. The correct answer is B. France. India and France signed a joint declaration on critical minerals cooperation in late June 2026, strengthening strategic partnership in the area of critical minerals essential for clean energy transition. Question 45. The ICAI celebrated its how many Foundation Day on 1st July 2026? Option A, 75th. Option B, 76th. Option C, 77th. Option D, 78th. The correct answer is C. 77th. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, celebrated its 77th Foundation Day on 1st July 2026. ICAI was established in 1949 under the Chartered Accountants Act, regulating the accounting profession. Question 46. Gross GST collections in June 2026 stood at approximately what amount? Option A, 1,62,811 crore rupees. Option B, 1,74,992 crore rupees. Option C, 1,84,812 crore rupees. Option D, 1,94,812 crore rupees. The correct answer is D. 1,94,812 crore rupees. Gross GST collections in June 2026 stood at 1,94,812 crore rupees, representing a 13.9% year-on-year growth. Net GST after refunds was 1,62,377 crore rupees. Question 47. GST collections in June 2026 showed what percentage of year-on-year growth? Option A, 10.2%. Option B, 11.5%. Option C, 12.8%. Option D, 13.9%. The correct answer is D. 13.9%. GST collections in June 2026 showed a 13.9% year-on-year growth, with gross collections reaching 1,94,812 crore rupees. Maharashtra topped state-wise GST collections with 30,714 crore rupees. Question 48. Which state topped GST collections in June 2026 with 30,714 crore rupees? Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Maharashtra. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is C. Maharashtra. Maharashtra topped state-wise GST collections in June 2026 with 30,714 crore rupees, followed by Karnataka and Gujarat. Maharashtra consistently remains the top contributor to GST revenue. Question 49. GST was implemented in India on 1st July of which year, making 2026 its 9th anniversary? Option A, 2015. Option B, 2016. Option C, 2017. Option D, 2018. The correct answer is C. 2017 GST, Goods and Services Tax, was implemented in India on 1st July 2017, replacing multiple indirect taxes with a unified, one nation, one tax system. 1st July 2026 marked its 9th anniversary. Question 50. What was the record RBI dividend transferred to the Government of India in FY 2026? Option A, 1.87 lakh rupees crore. Option B, 2.11 lakh rupees crore. Option C, 2.54 lakh rupees crore. Option D, 2.87 lakh rupees crore. The correct answer is D. 2.87 lakh rupees crore. The Reserve Bank of India transferred a record dividend of 2.87 lakh rupees crore to the Government of India in FY 2026. Despite this, India's fiscal deficit for April to May FY 27 stood at 1.62 lakh rupees crore, 9.6% of annual estimate. Question 51. India's fiscal deficit for April to May FY 27 stood at 1.62 lakh rupees crore, which is approximately what percentage of the full year estimate? Option A, 7.2%. Option B, 8.5%. Option C, 9.6%. Option D, 11.2%. The correct answer is C. 9.6%. India's fiscal deficit for April to May FY27 stood at 1.62 lakh rupees crore, representing approximately 9.6% of the full-year budget estimate, despite the record RBI dividend of 2.87 lakh rupees crore. Question 52. India's unemployment rate reached which level in 2025, described as an 8-year low by NSO data? Option A, 2.8%. Option B, 3.1%. Option C, 3.5%. Option D, 4.0%. The correct answer is B. 3.1%. India's unemployment rate fell to 3.1% in 2025, an 8-year low, according to data released by the National Statistical Office, NSO. This reflects improved job creation and increased labor force participation. Question 53. India's registered taxpayer base grew from 66.5 lakh in 2017 to approximately how many crore by 2026? Option A, 1.25 crore. Option B, 1.45 crore. Option C, 1.65 crore. Option D, 1.85 crore. The correct answer is C. 1.65 crore. India's registered taxpayer base grew from 66.5 lakh in 2017 to approximately 1.65 crore by 2026, reflecting significantly expanded tax compliance under digital reforms and GST implementation. Question 54. According to NFHS 6, what percentage of children in India suffer from wasting, low weight for height? Option A, 15%. Option B, 17%. Option C, 19%. Option D, 21%. The correct answer is C. 19%. According to NFHS 6, National Family Health Survey 6, 19% of children in India suffer from wasting, low weight for height. The survey also showed 29.3% of children are stunted. Question 55. According to NFHS 6, what percentage of children in India are stunted, low height for age? Option A, 24.5%. Option B, 27.1%. Option C, 29.3%. Option D, 32.6%. The correct answer is C. 29.3%. According to NFHS 6, 29.3% of children in India are stunted, low height for age, while 19% suffer from wasting. The survey also reported adult obesity at 7.27% and undernourishment at 12%. Question 56. According to NFHS 6, what is the adult obesity rate in India? Option A, 5.14%. Option B, 6.38%. Option C, 7.27%. Option D, 8.43%. The correct answer is C. 7.27%. According to NFHS 6, the adult obesity rate in India is 7.27%, reflecting the dual burden of malnutrition where undernutrition and obesity coexist in the population. Question 57. Under the VBG-Ramji Act 2025, effective 1st July 2026, what was the total nationwide allocation for the enhanced scheme? Option A, 72,345 crore rupees. Option B, 83,456 crore rupees. Option C, 95,692 crore rupees. Option D, 1,02,345 crore rupees. The correct answer is C. 95,692 crore rupees. Under the VBG-Ramji Act 2025 effective 1st July 2026, 95,692.31 crore rupees was allocated nationwide. The act increased employment guarantee from 100 to 125 days and was officially launched in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Question 58. The VBG Ramji Act 2025 was officially launched in which state of India on 2nd July 2026? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Odisha. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is A, Andhra Pradesh. The VBG Ramji Act 2025, effective 1st July 2026, was officially launched in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh on 2nd July 2026. The act enhanced rural employment guarantee from 100 to 125 days. Question 59. Lauren Bell won the ICC Women's Player of the Month award for which month in 2026? Option A, March. Option B, April. Option C, May. Option D, June. The correct answer is C, May. Lauren Bell of England won the ICC Women's Player of the Month award for May 2026. She excelled in both ODI and T20I cricket and was a key player for England against India. Question 60. Lauren Bell, ICC Women's Player of the Month, May 2026, plays for which country? Option A, Australia. Option B, England. Option C, India. Option D, New Zealand. The correct answer is B, England. Lauren Bell is an England fast bowler who won the ICC Women's Player of the Month award for May 2026 for her outstanding performances in ODI and T20I cricket. Question 61. Mushfiqur Rahim won the ICC Men's Player of the Month, May 2026, after scoring how many test runs against Pakistan? Option A, 198 runs. Option B, 213 runs. Option C, 253 runs. Option D, 287 runs. The correct answer is C, 253 runs. Mushfiqur Rahim of Bangladesh won the ICC Men's Player of the Month for May 2026 after scoring 253 test runs against Pakistan at an average of 63.25, helping Bangladesh win the series to 2-0. Question 62. Mushfiqur Rahim's Bangladesh defeated Pakistan in the May 2026 Test series by what margin? Option A, 1-0. Option B, 2-0. Option C, 2-1. Option D, 3-0. The correct answer is B, 2-0. Bangladesh defeated Pakistan 2-0 in the Test series in May 2026, with Mushfiqur Rahim being named Player of the Series. He subsequently won the ICC Men's Player of the Month award for May 2026. Question 63. China conducted a test of the Julang 3 SLBM by firing it into which ocean in July 2026? Option A, Atlantic Ocean. Option B, Indian Ocean. Option C, Pacific Ocean. Option D, South Pacific. The correct answer is D, South Pacific. China tested the Julang 3 SLBM, submarine-launched ballistic missile, by firing it into the South Pacific in July 2026. This development raised concerns across the Asia-Pacific region, including India. Question 64. What type of missile is the Julang 3, JL-3, tested by China in July 2026? Option A, anti-satellite missile. Option B, hypersonic cruise missile. Option C, hypersonic glide vehicle. Option D, submarine-launched ballistic missile. The correct answer is D, submarine-launched ballistic missile. The Julang 3, JL-3, is a submarine-launched ballistic missile, SLBM, tested by China in July 2026. It is capable of carrying nuclear warheads and was fired into the South Pacific, causing regional concern. Question 65. The K9 Vajrati is a joint artillery development project between India and which country? Option A, France. Option B, Israel. Option C, Russia. Option D, South Korea. The correct answer is D, South Korea. The K9 Vajrati is a joint artillery development project between India and South Korea. Hamha Aerospace of South Korea transferred technology to Larsen & Toubro, L&T, which manufactures it at Hazira, Gujarat. Question 66. The K9 Vajrati artillery system is manufactured in India at which location? Option A, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Hazira, Gujarat. Option C, Pune, Maharashtra. Option D, Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is B, Hazira, Gujarat. The K9 Vajrati is manufactured by Larsen & Toubro, L&T, at Hazira, Gujarat under the Make in India initiative. It contains 50 to 60% indigenous components and has been deployed in Ladakh. Question 67. The K9 Vajrati artillery system has what caliber? Option A, 105 mm per 39 calories. Option B, 120 mm per 45 calories. Option C, 130 mm per 52 calories. Option D, 155 mm per 52 calories. The correct answer is D, 155 mm per 52 calories. The K9 Vajrati is a 155 mm 52 caliber self-propelled howitzer jointly developed with South Korea's Hamha Aerospace and manufactured by L&T at Hazira, Gujarat. India first ordered 100 units in 2017. Question 68. In which region of India has the K9 Vajrati artillery system been deployed for border defense? Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Option B, Kashmir Valley. Option C, Ladakh. Option D, Sikkim. The correct answer is C, Ladakh. The K9 Vajrati self-propelled howitzer has been deployed in Ladakh for India's border defense. It was developed under the Make in India initiative with South Korea's Hamha Aerospace. Question 69. What percentage of indigenous components does the K9 Vajrati contain? Option A, 30 to 40%. Option B, 40 to 50%. Option C, 50 to 60%. Option D, 60 to 70%. The correct answer is C, 50 to 60%. The K9 Vajrati contains 50 to 60% indigenous components, making it a significant achievement under the Make in India Defence Initiative. It is manufactured by Larsen & Toubro at Hazira, Gujarat. Question 70. India's first order for K9 Vajrati guns was placed in which year? Option A, 2015. Option B, 2016. Option C, 2017. Option D, 2018. The correct answer is C, 2017. India placed its first order for 100 K9 Vajrati artillery guns in 2017 under the Make in India initiative with South Korea's Hamha Aerospace, with manufacturing by L&T at Hazira, Gujarat. Question 71. PSLV anomaly in 2026 is being reviewed by which body? Option A, DRDO Expert Panel. Option B, ISRO Internal Team. Option C, Ministry of Space Committee. Option D, National Expert Committee. The correct answer is D, National Expert Committee. A National Expert Committee was constituted to review the reasons for the PSLV anomaly in 2026. PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, is ISRO's workhorse rocket with an otherwise excellent track record. Question 72. Which institute collaborated with ISRO for the KCC Space Technology Program running from 15th June to 11th July, 2026? Option A. Amity University. Option B. Chandigarh University. Option C. Manipal University. Option D. Vellore Institute. The correct answer is B. Chandigarh University. Chandigarh University collaborated with ISRO for the KCC Space Technology Program, running from 15th June to 11th July, 2026, providing students with exposure to space technology and research. Question 73. The FCRA 2.0 portal digitalizes the processes of which government mechanism? Option A. Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Option B. Foreign Currency Reserve Act. Option C. Federal Central Revenue Administration. Option D. Foreign Capital Regulation Administration. The correct answer is A. Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. The FCRA 2.0 portal digitalizes processes under the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, FCRA, which regulates acceptance and utilization of foreign contributions by NGOs and organizations in India. Question 74. The EOCI card introduced under FCRA 2.0 uses which technology for identity authentication? Option A. Aadhaar. Option B. Biometric scanning. Option C. Passport chip. Option D. Voter ID. The correct answer is A. Aadhaar. The EOCI, Overseas Citizenship of India, card introduced under FCRA 2.0 uses Aadhaar authentication for identity verification, making OCI services faster and fully digital. Question 75. The SWAYAM platform used for credit transfer in India's Academic Bank of Credits is associated with which type of learning? Option A. Primary school learning. Option B. Secondary school learning. Option C. Massive open online courses. Option D. Vocational skill training. The correct answer is C. Massive open online courses. SWAYAM is India's massive open online courses (MOCs) platform that is integrated with the Academic Bank of Credits (ABC) and DigiLocker to enable flexible credit transfer under NEP 2020. Question 76. India's One Nation, One Student ID initiative provides students with APAR, which is integrated with which document storage platform? Option A. Diksha. Option B. DigiLocker. Option C. ENAM. Option D. Umang. The correct answer is B. DigiLocker. APAR, the student ID under One Nation, One Student ID, is integrated with DigiLocker, allowing students to store and access their academic records digitally. It is also connected with SWAYAM for credit transfer. Question 77. What principle does India's GST embody in the national tax system? Option A. One Nation, One Budget. Option B. One Nation, One Tax. Option C. One Nation, One Rate. Option D. One Nation, One Return. The correct answer is B. One Nation, One Tax. India's GST embodies the principle of One Nation, One Tax, replacing a complex web of multiple central and state indirect taxes with a unified tax system since 1 July 2017. Question 78. The ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, was established in which year? Option A. 1947. Option B. 1948. Option C. 1949. Option D. 1950. The correct answer is C. 1949. ICAI was established in 1949 under the Chartered Accountants Act, making it one of the world's largest accounting bodies. 1 July 2026 marked its 77th Foundation Day. Question 79. The white-rumped vulture's scientific name is option A, Gyps africanus. Option B, Gyps bengalensis. Option C, Gyps fulvus. Option D, Gyps indicus. The correct answer is B, Gyps bengalensis. The white-rumped vulture's scientific name is Gyps bengalensis. It is critically endangered primarily due to diclofenac use in livestock. Conservation efforts include GPS tracking, captive breeding and safe feeding zones. Question 80. GST Day 2026 marks how many years of India's unified indirect tax system? Option A, 7 years. Option B, 8 years. Option C, 9 years. Option D, 10 years. The correct answer is C, 9 years. GST Day 2026, 1st July, marked 9 years since the implementation of GST in India on 1st July 2017. GST replaced multiple indirect taxes and introduced one nation, one tax across the country. Question 81. Which country was the opponent in Mushfiqur Rahim's ICC Men's Player of the Month winning performance in May 2026? Option A, India. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, South Africa. Option D, Sri Lanka. The correct answer is B, Pakistan. Mushfiqur Rahim won the ICC Men's Player of the Month for May 2026 based on his 253 test runs against Pakistan, average 63.25. Bangladesh won the series 2-0, with Mushfiqur named Player of the Series. Question 82. Mushfiqur Rahim had previously won the ICC Men's Player of the Month award in which year? Option A, 2019. Option B, 2020. Option C, 2021. Option D, 2022. The correct answer is C, 2021. Mushfiqur Rahim had previously won the ICC Men's Player of the Month award in 2021. His May 2026 award came after outstanding test performances against Pakistan, helping Bangladesh win 2-0. Question 83. The Army Roving Node that trained India's World Roving Cup gold medalists is associated with which service? Option A, Air Force. Option B, Army. Option C, Coast Guard. Option D, Navy. The correct answer is B, Army. The Army Roving Node trained Lakshya and Ujjwal Kumar, who won India's first World Roving Cup gold medal in the LM2X event at Lucerne, Switzerland on 27 June 2026. Question 84. India-France cooperation on critical minerals was formalized through which type of document? Option A, Treaty. Option B, Joint Declaration. Option C, MoU. Option D, Protocol. The correct answer is B, Joint Declaration. India and France signed a joint declaration on critical minerals cooperation in late June 2026, strengthening their strategic partnership in securing critical minerals essential for clean energy and technology sectors. Question 85. The previous tiger reintroduction attempt at Satkosia Tiger Reserve failed in which year? Option A, 2016. Option B, 2017. Option C, 2018. Option D, 2019. The correct answer is C, 2018. A previous tiger reintroduction attempt at Satkosia Tiger Reserve in Odisha failed in 2018. The NTCA's new in-principle approval, 30th June 2026, restarts the program with improved habitat restoration and anti-poaching measures. Question 86. Which Indian state's new Chief Secretary Biswanath Sinha took charge in July 2026? Option A, Assam. Option B, Goa. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Odisha. The correct answer is C, Kerala. Biswanath Sinha, a 1992 batch IAS officer of the Kerala cadre, became Kerala's Chief Secretary in July 2026. Kerala Chief Secretary is the senior-most civil servant in the state administration. Question 87. Net GST collection, after refunds, in June 2026 was approximately, option A, 1,42,311 crore rupees. Option B, 1,52,456 crore rupees. Option C, 1,62,377 crore rupees. Option D, 1,72,543 crore rupees. The correct answer is C. 1,62,377 crore rupees. Net GST collection in June 2026, after refunds, was 1,62,377 crore rupees. The gross collection was 1,94,812 crore rupees, showing 13.9% year-on-year growth driven by strong domestic collections and import revenue. Question 88. PM Modi received which nation's highest environmental honor during his visit to Seychelles in June 2026? Option A, Aldabra Conservation Medal. Option B, Indian Ocean Green Award. Option C, Seychelles Environmental Star. Option D, Seychelles National Environmental Award. The correct answer is A. Aldabra Conservation Medal. PM Modi received Seychelles' highest environmental honor, the Aldabra Conservation Medal, during his state visit in late June 2026. He also became the first Indian PM to address the Seychelles National Assembly. Question 89. Hamha Aerospace, which transferred technology for the K9 Vajrati to India, is a company from which country? Option A, Germany. Option B, Israel. Option C, South Korea. Option D, USA. The correct answer is C. South Korea. Hamha Aerospace is a South Korean defense company that transferred technology for the K9 Vajrati howitzer to India. L&T manufactures it at Hazira, Gujarat with 50 to 60% indigenous components. Question 90. GST replaced which earlier tax system in India that had multiple cascading taxes? Option A, Central Excise and VAT system. Option B, Income and Corporate Tax system. Option C, Service Tax and Custom Duty system. Option D, Central Sales Tax and Entry Tax system. The correct answer is A. Central Excise and VAT system. GST replaced India's earlier indirect tax system including Central Excise Duty, VAT, Service Tax, and other cascading taxes with a unified, One Nation, One Tax system from 1 July 2017. Question 91. Which African team did the Netherlands draw with in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 before losing on penalties? Option A, Algeria. Option B, Egypt. Option C, Morocco. Option D, Senegal. The correct answer is C. Morocco. Netherlands drew 1-1 with Morocco in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 29 June before losing to 2-3 on penalties. Morocco advanced to the round of 16. Question 92. What was India's finishing time in the World Rowing Cup LM2X gold medal event at Lucerne 2026? Option A, 6:21.45. Option B, 6:24.33. Option C, 6:26.09. Option D, 6:29.17. The correct answer is C. 6:26.09. Lakshya and Ujjwal Kumar of India finished with a time of 6:26.09 in the LM2X lightweight double sculls event at the World Rowing Cup in Lucerne, Switzerland on 27 June 2026, winning gold. Question 93. Under APAR, Student ID system, academic credits are stored in the option A, Academic Bank of Credits, ABC. Option B, Digital Academic Repository, DAR. Option C, National Student Credit Bureau, NSCB. Option D, University Credit Hub, UCH. The correct answer is A. Academic Bank of Credits, ABC. Under India's education system, APAR provides a 12-digit student ID while the Academic Bank of Credits, ABC, stores academic credits, enabling multiple entry-exit and credit transfer across institutions. Question 94. India's NSO, National Statistical Office, is part of which ministry? Option A, Finance Ministry. Option B, MOSPI, Ministry of Statistics. Option C, Planning Commission. Option D, PMO. The correct answer is B. MOSPI, Ministry of Statistics. The National Statistical Office, NSO, functions under MOSPI, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. It released data showing India's unemployment rate at 3.1% in 2025, an 8-year low. Question 95. The FIFA World Cup 2026 is being co-hosted by which countries? Option A, Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay. Option B, Canada, USA, Mexico. Option C, Germany, France, Spain. Option D, UK, Ireland, Netherlands. The correct answer is B. Canada, USA, Mexico. The FIFA World Cup 2026 is co-hosted by Canada, USA, and Mexico, the first World Cup to be hosted by 3 nations. The expanded tournament features 48 teams and 104 matches. Question 96. Which team beat Paraguay to not advance to the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 16? Option A, England. Option B, Germany. Option C, Italy. Option D, Netherlands. The correct answer is B. Germany. Germany was eliminated by Paraguay in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 29 June, losing 3-4 on penalties after a 1-1 draw, in one of the biggest upsets of the tournament. Question 97. India's FCRA 2.0 portal links NGO compliance with which government platform? Option A, GEM portal. Option B, NGO Darpan. Option C, PM Gati Shakti. Option D, Udyam portal. The correct answer is B. NGO Darpan. India's FCRA 2.0 portal is integrated with the NGO Darpan platform, along with Aadhaar authentication, OCR verification, and PAN integration to streamline compliance for NGOs receiving foreign contributions. Question 98. The FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 match between Belgium and Senegal on 1st July ended. Option A, Belgium won 3-2 in regular time. Option B, Belgium won 3-2 after extra time. Option C, Belgium won 3-2 on penalties. Option D, Senegal won 2-1 before Belgium came back. The correct answer is B. Belgium won 3-2 after extra time. Belgium defeated Senegal 3-2 after extra time, AET, in the FIFA World Cup 2026 round of 32 on 1st July. The match went to extra time before Belgium scored the decisive goal to advance. Question 99. India won its first World Rowing Cup gold by narrowly defeating which team? Option A, China. Option B, Germany. Option C, Hong Kong. Option D, New Zealand. The correct answer is C. Hong Kong. India's Lakshya and Ujjwal Kumar won the World Rowing Cup LM2X gold at Lucerne, Switzerland on 27 June 2026 by narrowly defeating Hong Kong with a finishing time of 6:26.09. Question 100. National Doctors' Day 2026 theme, Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healers, focuses on which aspect of healthcare? Option A, AI and digital health tools. Option B, mental health and well-being of doctors. Option C, rural healthcare access. Option D, telemedicine expansion. The correct answer is B, mental health and well-being of doctors. The theme of National Doctors Day 2026, Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healers, focuses on the mental health, well-being, and burnout challenges faced by healthcare professionals, highlighting the need to support those who serve patients. Congratulations on completing Weekly Current Affairs 2026, Week 3. That was 100 questions covering 29th June to 4th July, 2026. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. If this helped your preparation, please subscribe to Quiz with Us, hit the like button, and share with your friends. Week 4 is coming next Sunday. Stay tuned, keep studying, and keep winning.